Let's take a quick look at how the public transport trip count tool works. For each stop, the tool analyzes the selected time interval and the number of departures, then calculates the average number of departures per hour based on real public transport schedules. You can view all transport modes combined or filter by a specific mode. The result layer shows how active each stop is, averaging to 1 hour during the chosen time period. This indicator serves as the foundation for the public transport quality classes indicator called Klassen, but can be utilized on its own. Let's see what you can assess with the help of the public transport trip count tool. It can be determined which stations have low service rates in comparison to others, which helps to tell where to improve access and redistribute services. In this tutorial, we will compute the public transport trip count during on-peak hours on a weekday. Let's go through it step by step. Click on Toolbox on the right side panel and select Accessibility Indicators, then select PT Trip Count from the menu. At the calculation time, set weekday, Saturday, or Sunday, and set the time span in which you'd like to create the computation. Here we're creating settings for a weekday between 8 and 9 a.m. Afterwards, we need to choose our reference layer, which is the area of interest. This is where the computation will take place. We're selecting a city layer, which we earlier added from the catalog and filtered to our area of interest. Then simply press Run to start the computation. It takes some seconds in an area this size. And here is our map showing the public transport trip counts. As the result of the computation, we'll get one point layer, which shows the public transport stops with at least one departure within our area of interest. Let's take a closer look at it. When clicking on a point, you'll see the stop's attributes, which include the stop's name, the departures per mode of transport, and the total trip count as well, all averaging to 1 hour within our set time frame. On this map, the darker points indicate a higher number of total count, but you can always change the layer's design. So this is how you use the public transport trip count tool. Try GOAT today and visit our documentation for more information.